Did you know that the amount of sunlight that falls on the Earth in 1 hour is equal to the total amount of energy all of the people on this planet consume in a year? That's a lot of energy. So in theory, if we can tap into this energy and put it to our use, we could possibly end any electricity problems for good. And that's the idea behind solar panels. So what are solar panels exactly? Well, as the name suggests, they're panels designed to capture energy from sunlight and convert it to electricity or heat. And as you might have guessed already, this form of energy would be renewable and wouldn't leave any byproducts that pollute the environment, unlike our coal, oil, and natural gas. So let's break down solar panels a little bit. Each solar panel is made of many small cells called photovoltaic cells, or PVs. These cells are typically square in shape, about 6 by 6 inches, and have electrical coating plates on their surfaces. These plates are made out of silicon, since silicon can conduct electricity, which means that it can generate a current when sunlight touches it. So how do you hold these cells together in a panel? That's where the protective backsheet and glass top come in. These two structures stiffly hold the entire solar cell in place. And when I say they hold the cell in place, I mean a guarantee that the solar panel will still have an 80% efficiency even after you use it for 25 years. Pretty durable, don't you think? The skeptics among you might ask, okay, it's durable and renewable, but why else should I go through the hassle of installing multiple solar panels in my office or house? Here's your answer. While it might seem like solar panels are all about saving the planet at first, that's not true. Installing these panels, in fact, comes with its unique perks for you. Installing solar panels costs just a fraction of how much you pay for electricity from a central grid system. And even better, once you've installed your own panels, you won't have to worry about electricity bills. Sounds like a good one-time investment, right? There's more. A recent study also showed that if you have solar panels on your property, you're likely to sell it at a 4% higher sale price than if you didn't have solar panels. So your property also becomes more valuable when you invest in this renewable form of energy. This doesn't go to say that the technology is perfect, of course. It has its own drawbacks like any other form of electricity. For example, you might not have money lying around to have solar panels installed, since the initial installment is indeed expensive. And also, they take up space and depend on whether the sun's out. But to say the least, with the breakthroughs scientists are making with solar energy lately, it's likely that these problems will become a talk of the past soon.